If you ever wondered why your vegetables lose their beautiful green color during cooking, this simple trick will change the way you cook your vegetables forever. And today I'm finally sharing my secrets for keeping green vegetables fresh, vibrant, and full of flavor while cooking. So I started by spicing up my chicken, and as you can see earlier, it was on fire. Then I went straight to my fridge to bring out the vegetables I'll be using. Mind you, I'm using what I have available at home to make this vegetable curry stew. Here, I'm trying to show you guys how to cut your vegetables. Most people take a lot of time to cut the vegetables. I mean, I don't cut them one after the other. I assemble them in batches. Just give me one full tray of green beans and see me cut all of them in 10 minutes. If you're observant, you would have noticed the two methods that I shown here on how to cut green beans. So next I came to check on my chicken, and then I noticed that it's been properly cooked. So I took it out of fire and then put it inside air fryer to air fry it. So the next vegetable I'll be cutting is carrot. So watch closely and learn how I hand cut my carrot also in minutes. I mean, not all of us are opportune to have food processor in our home. Food processor is more easier and faster. But if you don't have, please, this is the way you can cut your carrots and prep all your veggies in minutes. You also notice that I had a helping hand. And finally, these are all my veggies, all prepped: green beans, carrots, onion, green pepper, and spring onion. So I strained the stock I got from the chicken that I prepped earlier. So I don't like seeing all those things in my food. I think it makes it look dirty. So after straining the stock, I added crayfish, and then I covered it and allowed it to cook properly. So after boiling for some minutes, I moved the pot to the smaller gas because I want to prep my veggies on the bigger gas. Okay. In my fry pan, I added a little oil. Emphasis on little oil, please, guys. We're keeping this food healthy, so not too much oil. So next, I added knorr cube and curry powder to the stock. I forgot to do that earlier. So back to my fry pan, the oil has heated up, so I added curry powder, chopped onion. So I stirred the onion very, very well. Did you see how the curry changed the color of this food? We are making vegetable curry stew, right? So next I go in with my hand chopped green beans. I see in the color. So I like to cook my green beans like 5 minutes before adding carrot and others, because you need to cook green beans more than carrot and other vegetables. Okay. So the next, after 5 minutes, I'm adding my carrots, finely chopped carrot. Could you believe that I chopped all these things with my bare hands? So did you notice how all the vegetables came out the same size? No one is bigger than each other. You can actually achieve that. So next I'll be adding no cube, but I split it into two. I added just half. So the next vegetable that goes in is my green pepper and spring onion. Then I added the other carrot that I left the other time. I thought it was much, but I decided to add it all anyway. So guys, tell me in the comment section, how do you fry your veggies? Do you fry both the green beans and other carrots and others at the same time, or maybe you fry green beans first like me? So I tested the veggies for salt and everything came out nice. So the next thing, I put the vegetables away and then bring back my stock and started cooking it again. So I added pepper to the stock, covered it and allowed it to cook. So the next thing, I'm going to mix my cornstarch. So maizena is very nice. Okay. So after mixing it properly, I added it into the stock. So the cornstarch is going to act as a thickener. That is what will thicken this stew for me. So after thoroughly mixing the thickener, I added it and turned. Then I added a little bit of crayfish more, to bring out the taste. And here I will be adding my protein, which is the chicken that I air fried in my air fryer. So I'll be adding it at this point. So you can see that we are using less oil in this meal, so there's nothing that will make it not to come out healthy. I did not fry the chicken, so that is a lesser oil on its own. So I gave everything a good mix, covered the pot and cooked for 5 minutes. So here is it after 5 minutes. You can see the consistency. So I think I like the consistency. So at this point, the food is almost ready. Then I proceeded to add the fried veggies. The veggies was much, so I didn't add all. So I've preserved the remaining veggies in my freezer. So by the time you see me add the veggies, this food is almost done. In less than a minute, it's going to go down. Honestly, smoke is not allowing me to get the exact color and face of this food. Now here is the trick to maintain the exact natural color of these vegetables that I told you about. So because the veggies have already been stir fried before adding to the main stew, so there's nothing to cook anymore. You just add the veggies into your stew, turn it and bring it down. So in that way, the vegetables retain and maintain their natural natural color. Another thing is when you're frying it, make sure you don't over fry it. Just stir fry the veggies. So in here, I went ahead to plate my own food. As you can see, I'm portioning my food these days because I want to lose weight. So here is a green rice. Do you know how I make this green rice? If you want to know how I make this green rice, just hit me on the comment section. I'll tell you exactly how I made it. So at this point, my phone battery was low, so you can see that it reduced the color and quality of this video. You can see that the color here is not that bright. It's a bit dark, but that is not the actual color of the food. The color was out of this world, and this food came out so yummy. Did you see how we made a healthy pot of stew? Lesser oil, lesser condiments, stir fry healthy vegetables, and healthy green rice. Tell me why this food won't make it as a weight loss option. Maybe you've been trying to lose weight and they've been telling you to drink only green tea. My dear, you can make yourself a healthy food like this and still lose weight, okay? So I went ahead to play this portion for my sister. She can eat for Africa, so I had to make 2 plates for her. So on the scale of 1 to 10, please rate this stew for me at the comment section. So this is me again, your girl, Gift of Gifted Kitchen. If you like this video, please like, comment and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. So see you next time. Bye.